If CapCut is showing a network error and telling you to try again later, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can often solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if CapCut was working before and suddenly stopped connecting, syncing, or loading properly. We're going to start with the easiest fix first, clearing the app cache and fully closing any background processes. And then we'll look at a network workaround using a VPN or Cloudflare DNS if the issue is coming from your region. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, open CapCut and go to the home page. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings again so you can access the app's storage and cache options. Once the Settings panel opens, look for the cache size section. This is where CapCut stores temporary files that can sometimes become corrupted or cause loading problems. To clear it, click the trash can icon to completely delete the cache. After that, click Save to confirm the change. Now, don't stop there. Even after clearing the cache, CapCut may still have background processes running that keep the error active. So close CapCut completely, then open Windows Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together. In Task Manager, look through the list of running apps and background processes. If you see any CapCut processes still running, right-click each one and select End Task. This step is important because it forces CapCut to fully shut down and restart fresh without old temporary data or stuck connections. Once that's done, reopen CapCut and check whether the network error is gone. In many cases, that alone can fix the issue, especially if the problem was caused by a bad cache or a frozen background session. But if you're still seeing the same error, then the issue may not be on your computer at all. Sometimes regional servers can have connectivity problems, or your network path may be blocking CapCut from reaching its services properly. If that happens, the next thing to try is a VPN. A VPN can route your connection through a different region, which may help bypass server issues or local network restrictions. Another option is changing your DNS settings to Cloudflare DNS using 1.1.1.1. That can sometimes improve connection stability and help your device reach CapCut servers more reliably. If you choose the DNS method, make sure you update both your primary and secondary DNS settings properly. Then restart CapCut and test again. A quick tip here, after changing the cache, ending the background tasks, or switching DNS, always fully restart your computer or at least relaunch CapCut cleanly before testing. That gives the app a fresh start and makes it easier to see whether the fix actually worked. If you're using a VPN, try a different server location if the first one doesn't help. Sometimes one region will work while another does not. So to recap, the main fix is to clear CapCut's cache from settings, save the changes, fully close the app, end any remaining CapCut tasks in Task Manager, and then try again. If the network error still appears, use a VPN or Cloudflare DNS like 1.1.1.1 to bypass possible regional server issues. These steps solve the problem for a lot of users without needing to reinstall the app or lose your projects. If this video helped you fix the CapCut network error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix CapCut login problems, export errors, or update issues next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.